Hi guys, Jen here with How Jen Does It. I have a little cleaning motivation to share with you today. So I am cleaning up my kitchen after dinner, and I'm also going to be cleaning my refrigerator out. So I hope you get a little cleaning motivation and enjoy this video. So after we eat dinner, we all take our dishes and put them in the dishwasher, and then I just go around and clean. I usually have helpers, but the guys are outside doing yard work, so it's all on me today. To clean my countertops, I am using a all-purpose concentrate that I got from Grove Collaborative. I really like this for my granite. I have repurchased it, so I've been using it for a little while now. It doesn't leave a film, it doesn't leave your granite streaky, it leaves them really nice and shiny, and the glass spray bottle is also from Grove Collaborative. You will see me using these Mrs. Meyer's products throughout the video, and I'm excited because Grove Collaborative has a special fall seasonal offer for you to get a Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, hand soap, soy candle, and Grove kitchen towel for free. I love the apple cider scent. It is my absolute favorite, but you can also choose the mum scent, and that is a really nice scent as well. And if you aren't familiar with Grove Collaborative, I will have more information below. I get all of my cleaning products from them, and they ship right to my house every month, and you can pick and choose what you want. You can skip months. It's really great, and I'll leave more information below for you, but definitely check it out. This offer is only good until September 10th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so you definitely want to check it out soon. All right, let's get back to cleaning. I am going to wait to do the floors until after I clean out the refrigerator. And I'm really sorry, I did clean the shelves and the doors and the top shelf. And I think what happened is I hit the record button twice because I only have 1 second of footage. So that was a bummer, but you get the idea. And I do have a full video on cleaning out the refrigerator in case you would like to check that out. And this is part of my zone cleaning. So I do this very thoroughly every 8 weeks, and then I do just a quick wipe down before I go to the grocery store. It is right before my big Trader Joe's and Costco haul, and because of Memorial Day and a few other things, we are putting it off a little bit, so I really need to fill my refrigerator. So it was great to get in there and clean everything really thoroughly before I go grocery shopping. I like to just use vinegar and water to clean out my refrigerator, so I usually fill a spray bottle a third of the way with vinegar and the rest with water, and I think it works great for sanitizing your refrigerator. If you're newer to my channel, we have pet tortoises, so that's why it says tortoise food, and you can see all of that lettuce there. I need to actually get more. That isn't a lot for them, but go into the grocery store. I like to lay a linen napkin down on the drawer that absorbs some of the moisture so the lettuce lasts a little bit longer. I do the same thing for our lettuce, and if I purchase spinach in a container, I will put a linen napkin in there and it absorbs some of the moisture, and then the spinach will last a little bit longer. If you've been around for a while, you have heard me mention that lots of times, but it really does work. To clean my stainless steel appliances, I use Method stainless steel cleaner. It is bomb. I buy mine off of Grove Collaborative. John took out the trash, and now I just need to vacuum up the floors. And I get asked about my cordless vac all the time. I will link it below for you. It works so well and it makes it so easy to clean up the floor. A nice clean kitchen makes me happy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you are going to tackle today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day.